Hey guys, a long time no see. Um, Finally, I have some time to make the new robotic videos. And yeah, I'm resting at home because it's weekend. And I really want to show this video to let you know some maybe new knowledges about the robotics from my side. And sorry for my clothes. I don't want to change it. So, I know many of you like the drones from Jiang Innovations, which is a DJI company. Today I want to show you some professional test of their drones in the laboratory from my side. Not for promoting how cool they are, but for letting more people know what do they look like. And what do drones, this kind of robots, do before they going into the market? This video is mainly about product, reliability and stability testing in extreme environments. So here we go. First is the low temperature test, -35 degrees to -20 degrees. Put the robot in the temperature box, then set this temperature. There are some standards to decide how long time should this drones under this temperature test. After this, use some device to check whether robots still can work well. If it can work well, then it means it passes this test project. Second is high temperature test, -50 degrees to -70 degrees. Same steps like the low temperature test. The third, vibration test, 180 revolutions per minute. Test for 10 hours. That vibration is for simulating the vibration in the car, but this one is for simulating the vibration on the ground. Shark drones with different access with equipment. This is a dust test. In a dusty environment, the shell of a robot or a drone is easily corroded and can't work normally. That's why we have to test it in this kind of environment. And also, we have to test it in some salty environment. This test project is to put this testing for 500 hours. Same, we also have to in the rain environment. So there are some professional equipment can simulate this is kind of environment, even the raining one. But the raining one, we divided it into the indoor one and the outdoor one. The indoor one is for simulation, but the outdoor one is for the real one. While taking off and landing outdoors, there will be environmental requirements for wind speed outdoors. The wind speed is 12 meters per second in this testing project. Depends on some standards. The data normally are different. Where the DJI side, they had tested 1 million drones. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. Subscribe me and slow. Bye bye. See you next time.